The long history of the fight for civil rights has been happening in Albuquerque and nationally.
If you look at the data for Hispanic communities and Native American communities, you're going to find some similar data.
And looking back on 2020, many question how civil rights have been handled in the Duke City.
I'm looking at where we are and where we need to go.
On a day like today, some say they aren't in a celebratory mood.
And there's just something about how to celebrate when there is so much more that has to be done and so much resistance right now.
They say work needs to be done to bring more equality and equity, but progress is being made.
I'm seeing a lot of good things out of this administration.
Under Albuquerque Mayor Tim Keller's administration, he's created diversity initiatives, reintroduced the Office for Civil Rights, pushed for programs dedicated towards immigrant communities, and placed an emphasis on cultural humility.
We want our leaders and deciders to be looking deeper at how they can unpack this as they have a quest towards justice.
But for every 2 steps forward, community leaders say we've taken 1 step back.
Because I remember back in the 60s and the things that were happening and how a generation in the civil rights movement pushed for change.
I think we're at a great place for us to start to say that we've seen some of the movement that has happened by our elected officials in the city of Albuquerque.
Shelley Leggett reporting, KOAT Action 7 News.